engine! The engine! Engine! Let's go, put it to! Whoa! Oh my word!
Woohoo! Wat vat hy?
Oh my word! I'm in trouble, James.
Sê my waar.
En al die ander batterye ook uit. Stop. I'm in trouble. En die engine aan. Al die ander batterye ook vir my. Kom aan, engine, voer in toe. Ek gaan my spoel. Gaan. Gosh, passing this massive ray with 10 pound line. Ethan, whoa, don't put it up. Oh my word, dat is probeer uitkom. Net vol battery lewe, né?
Ja.
Ja, dit is nie wat gesê hoor. Hier kom hy. Dit is 'n lang fight, né?
Ja, hier gaan Ek gaan my GoPro neersit.
Whoa, goed. Go down, Jane.
Kies hy gaan.
Hy gaan.
Sê my waar. Reguit.
Ja. Kijk, stop. Bring my GoPro en check jy hard by die lyn af hier. Spoel af. Look at this, James. Look at that. Just look at that. That's just insane. You think we can land it? 10 pounds.
Land it.
Huh?
Gonna
You reckon
land
we're
it.
gonna land it? To 10
Gonna land
pounds.
it.
Like a 40. Oh, look at that! Beautiful.
Pragtig.
Oh my word, gaan nader, gaan. We need to try turn it, it doesn't take us out in the sea, buddy.
Yo! Get on it.
Whoa, look at this. Oh my lord, kijk hier. Oh my word. This massive. Kijk, ek moet hem draai. Dat is daai kant toe. Dat hy sien toe gaan met hierdie skip van uitkom. Whoa. Yeah!
Yo!
Woo! Oh my soul! Kan sien toe. Hy skip moet nie verby kom. Oh! He's off. Is he off? Pas op die engine. Rheeder! Whoa!
Yo!
Shit!
Yo!
Woo! Engine! He's gonna spool me. Hey, slow down.
Pull on.
Get up. On to. You see the spring out? And
Shit. Ek moet hom moeg maak.
ek kan nie. Dan hierdie ding, wat wil jy? Moet kom in die klip en goed sit. Kan probeer, ek is nie bang nie.
Hoor jy as hy naby is, laat ek hom ook hoek? Nee, kan nie, ek moet die engine.
Slow down, asseblief. Slow
gehad hier?
Gosh, gents, you won't believe this, but I'm hooked up into a massive mantis ray. Been fighting me for the past 12 minutes, pulling this little boat of mine all over the bloody harbour, in between the massive ships, and I'm fishing with Stratic 1000, 10-pound boss braid, and a light Prorex. I mean, it's just parking there. I can't tighten the ratchet because it's gonna snap me off. So this is like a patience game now. Yeah, intense. He's just moving slowly. He probably doesn't even know he's hooked. But he took off and he jumped out of the air. It was ridiculous. Hy swem net. He's just swimming. He's just cruising. But he's right here in front of us. Okay, it's fine. Ethan, kom ons gaan 'n bietjie bo op hom en kyk of ek 'n bietjie leverage kan kry. Ja, net 'n bietjie lig dat ek. Want hy gaan ons uit see uitvat. Let's test this 10-pound braid. I'm never gonna land this fish. I would like to get it to the edges here and just take a photo with it, because it will be my first proper skate in my life. So this is my year for ticking boxes. So let's just get on top of it, get some line back. Oh, he's gonna, I don't know if I'll be able to land this thing. This is probably like a, gosh, 50-60 kilo.
Yeah,
Easily ray that I'm boxing with 10-pound boss braid. I'm not going to be able to lift it, am I? I don't want to put too much tension on it. Ethan, sit off. Oh, it's screaming. It's going to scream off just now. This thing decides he wants to run. He wants to run. I don't stand a chance against him. He's going to take line and take line and take and take and take and take. How can I jump? Oh my word, look at that. Insanity. Okay, engine. Not speed. It is insane. I mean, look at the shoal he just made. It's like 2 flaps. And he steals all my line. I mean, a Stratic 1000, 10-pound, I'll probably have like 120, 140, 120, 140 meters on it. But for this ray, gosh, he can spool me in a matter of seconds. If I was not on this boat, I would have been spooled a long time ago. Is hulle? Hierdie ene?
Die krokodil hou.
Is hy dood van so ene? Is dit hierdie ding?
Ja, hierdie ding. Nee, maar die plat goed een. Ek weet nie of hierdie een dangerous is. Ons gaan net wanneer so ding moet gebruik om hom te klamp.
Jy gaan hom nooit kan klamp nie.
Klamp hom vashou.
Check hier. Screaming. Wil jy nie foto's neem terwyl ek so fight nie? Met die foon. Maar hou hom sideways dat ek dit kan gebruik as thumbnails. Ethan, gebruik 'n ander foon dan, maak gou. Nee, ek wil nie my gesig te sien nie. Jy moet die hele, nee, jy gaan terug, jy moet die hele by gaan al sien. Yes, I'm testing this braid properly. And I'm testing the Stratic's capabilities, its drag strength. And it's doing bloody well. I mean, this is a giant ray. This is a massive ray. Please don't flap. I'm holding the spool now, seeing if I can get him, tie him out. Huh? Ja, hy is reg voor ons. Yeah, I probably, I know I'm not going to land it. I just want to get it next to the boat to show you guys what I'm fighting. I'm sure you guys saw it jumping out of the water, but this is just next level. I've never experienced something like this in my life. I mean, this little ProRex 7-foot light is just handling this fish with ease. I mean, look at that. Buckling in my hand, but it's working. Grafting, Poppy. Didn't chill, mate. It's just chilling right there. Nothing much I can do. Let's tighten it a bit more. Not that I can lift it with this rod. I can't. Did not expect to see this today, huh? Did you expect this to happen? What is the time? It's been a 25-minute fight already. It's 8:15. Yeah, but this is fishing for you, eh? Look at that. He's just like cruising around.
Meneer het nog gesê, meneer het 'n kleintjie gesien spring. Hier sien ons 'n flippin 50 60.
Jy gesien 'n spring uit daar.
Ek kan nie.
Can't comprehend, wat gebeur. My flippin, ek word 'n bucket vir die crab. Ja, nee, men kan nie vorentoe meer nie. Daar skip kom reverse. En hy gaan stadig ry, né? Hy gaan moeg raak want hy trek sy vlerk. Hey, daai kant toe. Hoe ek trek sy wat noem jy dit? Sy vlerk?
Ja, sy
wingspan, fin, dis nie 'n fin nie. So jy het my nog nie geweet. Weet jy hoe goed is my knope? This is insane. 15 pond Rheeder. 15 pond, wat's 15 pond?
15 pond.
6.5 kilogram. And check hoe hou hy. Insane, check hierdie jellyfish. Check hom. Hy moet nou nie chill terwyl hy die skip verby is, maar hy gaan my spoel. Check dit. Gosh, this is intense. Hier is 'n video op sy eie, hè?
Sê iets vir sy. Een vantage ry. Goeie tyd.
Voel jy die boot? Die hele boot draai. Look at this rod. It's just buckling. Look at that. It's just going. I mean, 10-pound boss braid, 8 strand. This stuff is insane. Guys, quality, freaking next level. This ratchet is like push, yeah, gosh. And I think a Stratic 1000 is like a 7-pound drag. 7-pound drag on a, gosh, I don't know, 80-pound fish. Gosh, yeah, it's around a 40-50 kilogram. That's more, that's a 100-pound fish. Oh, my word!
Half of the boat.
It's the size of my bloody 4-meter boat. Let's tighten this up even more. Let's test this bloody Stratic. Ja, gaan 'n bietjie vorentoe asseblief. Hy het nou baie lyn gesteel. Gosh, guys, this is definitely a illegal spot to fish. So I never fish here. Don't get any ideas. I'm not looking for any terrible comments or anything, but I just want to see this fish. I just want to land it.
500 meters.
Yeah, it took us out, yeah, gosh, 400-500 meters from the spot we fished, if not more. So I just want to see if I can get him a bit tired, and if I can just get him close. I want a photo if I can just stand next to him, just get him next to my boat, just get a photo next to him. That'll be ideal. That'll be first prize. Yes, and I'm still tightening this drag. And it's just fighting at the bottom. That's my problem. I don't want it to fight to the bottom because I know this area is like there's a lot of reef and structures and stuff around this area. I think it's a conservancy or wat noem hulle dit? Ja, iets is dat. I mean, this drag is locked. Sy boodskappe. Yes, hoor hoe maak my oogies. Daai ballies is al weg het vir ons gekyk het, hè? Hoe lang dink jy gaan hierdie stok het kan last? Maar hy raak moeg, want hy burst nie meer nie. Ah! Wat gaan jy oorry met die boot? Somme aerial route vat. Soos die arend vlieg.
Hier om die Shaka en dit nog net daar. So, ek dink net aan dit, hè? Ons gaan maak. Wat dink meneer om vas te hou?
Neem 'n foto so.
Voor vas te hou en dan reverse ons.
Sideways.
Ja.
Sideways foto. It's like I'm winning. Hoe like die foto's? Crazy.
Daai en hierdie en on point.
Maak hom oop, ja.
So en dan
Dan is hy vas. Daar is ek dink 'n 34 pound.
meneer, dis is 4 keer dit.
Wel, hierdie stokkie is 10 pond lyn op en hy handle het. Kyk hoe bakkel hierdie stok met hierdie lyn. Voel jy die lyn gevoel? Ja, hard gaat nie, dan snap jy. Scharing, dude. Jou broek het dit in. Yes, it's at that stage where it's just cruising around at one level and now I need to pull it up. Ek het mos al huge ingevang diepsee met 'n kuipie. Ook 40 kg, 30-40. Maar jy kan nie, nee, dis kleiners die. Kleiners die en hierdie is 'n 10 pond freaking
meneer, hoeveel? Wat is dit?
80 pond braid. And that was a mission, dude.
Hy sit nou nie. Hy het nou 'n spot gekry en nou hy cruise so lekker.
Ja. En ek kan nie pressure nie. Ek kan niks doen nie. Dis tension, time under tension is insane op die oomblik, hoor. Hoor jy daai drag is so ek That's dangerous. I'm pushing the boundaries, China. Jy nog Instagram?
Live.
Net 'n video.
Meneer se kode?
198800.
198800.
Ja,
Instagram?
is daaronder.
Sorry. Hoe doen ek
Gaan Instagram toe, dan swipe jy mos net regs op die feed, dan gaan dit na... Dit moet nie live wees nie, maak dit 'n story.
Story, dan hou ek hom in.
Ja. Look at this, gents. Insane. And the Harbour ultralight setup hooked into a massive.
Alright, doen net 'n
Kort.
sekere tyd. Baie kort.
Nou gaan net aan. Hy mos net aangaan. Of toe maar los hom. Ja, delete hom. Dan praat ek verkeerd mos.
Dis kort.
Kry net my dalk daai paar sekondes wat ek so dit probeer optel en is jy reg?
1, 2.
And we go. Gosh.
En also, send to, of hoe sê dit?
Jy sê net send to.
Daar sê meneer. Jammer meneer, gee my gou 'n sekond. Hoe send again of
Ek sien,
wat doen ek?
jy sê net share.
Share.
En dan sê done. Jy gaan nou net sê done.
Wag gou meneer Gordon.
Done. Dis meer Gordon op die lyn.
Ja.
Gee so.
Meneer sal nie glo nie, ons het 'n
Mantis ry, giant.
seker maklike 40-50 kg getrek en ons wag nou net. Ons wag nou net vir hom. Soos meneer ergens op 40-50 kg, massive. So groot soos die helfte van die boot. op 'n 10
By
Ja,
ProRex. My Stradic 1000.
Maar hoe sê ek dit op
Loudspeaker.
hoe trek dit meneer? Waar gaan ek?
Ja meneer.
Stoor jy met die Mantis?
Ek staan hier so met hierdie ProRex en 10 pond basbreid is insane met hierdie Stradic 1000. Hierdie Mantis ry ek skat om 100 pond. 120 pond. Maklik.
Mantis?
Ja, daai een met die wit kolle op, daai huge ding. Hy het uit die water uit gespring, 2-3 meter uit die lug, uit die water uit. Maar hy sit nou op een spot en hy doen niks. Ek wonder of hy net gaan lê het. Maar ek vat hom al van 15:15 of 10:08 af. Is al 40 minute.
Ja, luister, dan kan het jy Mantis soos jy, want die Mantis kan nie stil bly nie. Hy moet swem op.
Meneer, hy was langs die boot.
Ons het hom
Ons het
gesien.
letterlik
Jy gaan
'n
hom
meter
sien.
voor ons. Ons het dit gesien. Ja, die lang
Yes,
ster.
die moerlang stert.
Die klappe aan die voorste.
Alles.
Ja.
Uit die U-shape back.
I'm lifting.
Dan sê jy, jy is om dood vervat.
Hy's nou dood. Ja, ek lig hom. Check hier. Oh my word, hierdie stok is insane. Meneer, hierdie ProRex.
Ek kan later praat.
Wat moet ek doen met hom?
Ons bring jy luister dat hy swem.
Nee man, ek wil 'n foto hê met hom. Ek gaan hom kant toe swem en langs hom sit.
Waarom gaan jy met ons swem?
Hier so langs op die kant. Weet jy waar is ek nou? Met die boot? Op die Suidpier. Hier is al 2 groot skepe verby ons.
Net nie laat die kop julle daar vang.
Ek kan niks met my doen nie. Ek vat mos 'n vis. Die vis het my hiernatoe gebring. Wat moet ek doen?
Hulle gaan net jou sê by die lyn. Maar luister, ek praat lang.
Okay boy.
Tot ziens meneer. Ons gaan hom kry. Hierdie sal 'n massive video wees, soos die krokodil.
As ek hom kan sien, dis die probleem. Want hy is hier. Hy is soos nou net hier. Ek weet, kyk, my spoel's vol. So hy is soos daar op 15, ja, 6, 7 meter. Hierdie is so 10, 12, 15 meter. Maar hy sit nou net daar, want ek het hom nou 'n bietjie gelig. Ja, ek wil hom net wakker skrik. As hy wil burst, moet hy burst,
Ja.
dat hy moeg raak.
En ons wil hom net moeg maak. Hierdie gaan 'n fight wees. Ons het vlak hier, weet jy, ons kan om hom te trek.
Dit kan hom nie trek nie, want hy sit nou stil.
Wanneer hy hier bo is, en ons kry hom hier bo. Auto vat hom.
Check die foto. Jy gaan neem.
Ja, man. Hy is letterlik hier onder hom. Hier is 'n reis op. Ja.
Jy kan hom kan lig. Ek dink jy gaan hom kan lig. Hoe lank gaan dit my vat?
Ek dink hy sak shit.
Nee, hy is nie op die bodem nie. Kan jy glo ek hou 'n 80-100 pond vis vas. Like I've got my hand on the spool. I'm not moving it. This Prorex light is holding this fish. This 10-pound Boss Braid is holding this fish. It is ridiculous. This stuff is just phenomenal, this gear I'm using. Gosh, well done, Daiwa, Prorex. Beautiful rod. And the Stratic, Shimano Stratic 1000, and also Boss Braid 10-pound. Insane. And also the Kingfisher 15-pound fluorocarbon leader. And then obviously, yeah, my knots. Doesn't matter how good the line is, if you can't make a knot, you're in trouble, Jana. But I don't think I'm going to be able to lift this fish. Not with this gear. Even if I just gain a half a centimeter at a time. Sien hy beweeg, check jy?
Coming up.
Yeah, I sense some movement here. I mean, this thing has been fighting for how long now?
50 minutes.
Yeah, 50 minutes. Yes, I'm testing this gear. Okay, there he goes. There he goes. Heb je gezien? He wanted to pull some line there. Oh, okay. Get up.
Come up.
Get up.
Yes.
Get up. Come on, get up. Yeah. Come up. So you're just stalling in one spot. Just need to get him to move. Regardless if he swims away or not, it'll actually help us because he'll tire himself out. Go down, get some half a meter or so. Just want to see it. Come on. Like I'm putting like next level strain on this. There he's going off again. He wants to go. He wants to move. He's clearly moving.
After this, you have to grease up your...
Where are you? Limit, bro. And this drag is so tight.
Yes.
As I'm trying my hardest and I'm forcing my gear, which I don't like.
Meer gloves.
Yeah.
Insulation tape.
Ow! He's definitely moving around, eh? Yeah. Like I'm winning a meter, then he's taking 5. Eh? I cannot believe what I'm so stressed out. I'm scared this either the line, the leader, the rod is gonna break. I mean, I'm putting it under some hectic pressure. Yeah. It's like sometimes it feels like he's keen to actually come up, and then he just sticks at one spot. Like, gosh, freaking need a bucket for this type of fishing, man. There, I gained. He gets me excited because I feel like I'm gaining a couple of meters, and then he just takes a couple again. Like he's.
Volgende keer is een shot, ja.
This is intense. Kan jy hom sien nou? Probleem is as ons gaan sien, moet jy nie? Ja, en dan gaan hy 'n burst hê. Steek jy GoPro, miskien kan jy hom op die GoPro sien. I think there's Harbour polisie daar. Yes, but it's hectic pressure on my gear, this. Ja. Gaat die engine aan? Gaan vorentoe. Sit af. Sit in neutral. Sit in neutral. Sit in neutral. Rev. Neem so 'n foto waar ek so sit.